Hi, thanks for joining me today. I'm Lori Callison and I am the designer of the Click and Fill pages that are included on Creative Memories' new Simple Start CD. I would love to have you check them out. They are available December 1st and they are on a CD with my lovely friend Jenny Damon, who designed the Simply Stylish pre-designed pages. So you get quite a bit of fun pages for lots of different projects. So I would like to show you today really quickly how you go about installing these packages when you get your CD. I'm going to go ahead and stick my CD into my CD reader, and in just a minute it will come up and I will show you what you do. This is a really great way to make a lot of really fast and simple pages, and it makes you feel like kind of like you're the designer. It's very fun. I like the name Click and Fill that Creative Memories gave the pages. I think it's great. So to install the packages, when the CD is inserted in my CD reader, all I do is double click on the package that I want to install, and it automatically starts installing. Now I'm going to stop here because mine's already installed, and we'll click out of that, and then I will show you how to activate them. We'll close out of here, and then when you go and start your Storybook Creator Plus software, under the little album there is what's called the Content Manager. And then when you choose Content Manager, we're going to enter a new activation code. So we click this button, and then right here we click this button, and on the back of the packaging of this Simple Start CD is your activation code, and it's in the bottom left hand corner of the back cover of the CD. And you do have to enter it exactly as shown, and when you do so and you choose OK, that activates your package. Now, it's because mine's already activated, it didn't work exactly like yours will right there, but I want to show you what they look like. And we are going to make a page, or some pages I should say. Where is it? Here we go. Decorative Click and Fill pages. This is what is one of the things on the CD. Then you also get decorative Click and Fill pages that are 11 by 8.5. And then we also came up with Simply Stylish is what Jenny Damon designed, so those are gorgeous. And then, we're going to click on the Simple Click and Fill pages, which those are 12 by 12. And then we also have the Simple Click and Fill pages that are 11 by 8.5. Okay, so going back over to our welcome page, I am going to show you how you launch this book, new book, and make it come up. So we're going to choose Create a New Project, and we'll do a 12 by 12 hardcover book. And since I just installed the decorative, let's find them here, the decorative Click and Fill pages, you simply click on that, choose Next. And if you want to auto-populate the book, you can do that right here by choosing your photos. And then if you choose Yes and then Next, the program will automatically put your photos into the pages for you. So I'm just going to title this, and we'll specify a location for it. Bear with me because I have tons of things on my computer. So we'll create, and you'll see just this quick. Over on the side on the right will appear 20 pages that are ready for you to click and fill. Now, if you want to add more pages to the book, you simply go to Add a Page. And depending on what you would like to insert, there are pages that are text only, some single photos per page, 2 photos per page, 3 photos per page, 4 photos per page, and then the collage. So if you wanted to insert another page, you'd simply choose one of these and say, add this page, and it will add that page at the end of the book. So coming up right down here at the bottom, here is the page that we just inserted. So I'm going to go back up here under the first page, and I'm going to show you how fast it is to be able to create this page. So I'll get a photo from Memory Manager. I love Memory Manager, by the way, because I can quickly find everything that I need to find. And here we have it. This is the photo that I would like to use. I simply click on the down arrow. I say share and share it to Storybook Creator. Say OK for the one selected item. I would like to add it to this existing book. Choose OK. And there goes our photo. I'll close Memory Manager, and here's our photo. So the first thing we do is we grab the photo and drag and drop it into the photo opening. I think I'd like to zoom in on it just a little bit, so I click on the photo itself, go to Format Photos, and zoom in on these guys. This is Doug and Parker having a fun day at the beach. So I usually always put the photo in first and then go and design the paper and the embellishments around that, so that I make sure that the photo looks its best with what I choose. So I'm going to choose under the Best Buds Digital Kit, and if you're interested in purchasing this, make sure to check with your consultant and they can help you download that, or I believe it's available on a CD. We'll choose on paper number 6, we'll click the little gray down arrow and choose Make This the Background. And then simply what we do is we click and fill each one of the blank boxes that are here. So I'll click on the first one up here in the upper left-hand corner, and I'm going to choose paper number 12 to fill that with. So I choose the little gray down arrow and choose fill the selected shape. And then I just continue to do that with each one of the shapes that are on the page. And you're always welcome to change your mind. This is the hardest part about digital scrapbooking, is making up your mind what papers you like. So we'll fill in these shapes and choose the last one here. And let's try this paper. Then to add some embellishments to it, I'll come over here to the Embellishments tab, also under the Best Buds Digital Kit. And then I'm going to choose this saying, Life is an Adventure. I think I will replace that with the text that's already there, so I just delete the text box and I move the saying up and then resize it just a bit so it shows up on the green piece of paper there. Maybe just a tad more. So there we have our title. Then to add some text, I simply double click on the text box and I'll write a day at the beach. And then when I click on it, I see I can't really see it that well, so I'm going to click on it again and I'm going to change the font to a larger font so that it's readable and we can see it there. And I'd say probably about right there is good. Now we don't need this text box. It's here if we want it, but we can go ahead and just delete that. And then to spiff it up just a little bit more, and this is what I love about all these digital kits with their fun things that they have in them, I'm going to add an overlay. This is overlay number 5, and to apply that to the page, I click the gray down arrow and choose Add to Page. And there you have it, a really quick, really fast, easy click and fill page. So if you have any questions, make sure to check with your consultant. The click and fill the Simple Start Click and Fill CD is available, like I said, on December 1st. And I really want you to try it and have fun with it. Make lots of fun pages. Thank you so much for joining me.